Oh, lovely, metallic green, really pings, lovely sparkle. I am Barry Skeen from Quicksilver Sound Architects, and I am going to guide you through the latest exhaust that we provide for the Range Rover P615, and this is the SV. This is the long wheelbase. Some people say it's a limousine on stilts or a limousine SUV, a very, very in chic, fashionable vehicle at the moment, an absolute beauty. From factory, this car turned up yesterday behind me, crept up behind me, absolute silence, and they're all like that from factory. And it has a V8. You bought the V8, so we provide a system which has valve technology. When the valves are shut, you can go back to that. If you want quiet, that's okay, you can have it. But with the valves open, we unleash a little bit of that V8 to give you some sporty sound. From the rear of the car, you get that. From inside, it's very, very deadened, very, very luxury, very refined, so you still have relative quiet. But from the outside, people will see you coming, or shall I say, hear you coming. So we're going to cold start it in a minute, then take it down the road and you can hear it for yourself. Hello, you join me in the cabin with Ben. You've met Ben before. He's a nice chap, very nice chap. To give you the point of view every driver needs to know about in what it sounds like basically inside the car, which is very different than outside the car. Makes sense?
Yeah, absolutely. The valve's open at the moment, which, to be honest with you, could leave it valves open the whole time. It's still a nice civilised sound, and it never drones or is intrusive. We got it in dynamic mode manual here. And you've just got a much more of a present V8 sound, which is really nice, and not too much. It still suits the vehicle.
Yeah, there's a little bit of pop on the overrun.
A little bit of pop and bang on
like
the overrun, especially when you get the car hotter. So we'll just give that
As we said earlier, this is like a gentleman's, choice of Range Rover, and rightly so. The V8 matches it, and our exhaust system complements that.
Yeah.
We've cracked the windows open a little bit. When they're shut, it's quite silent, even with valves open. When the valves are shut, oh, there's a lovely pop there.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really nice. So you're getting a little bit of that V8, which is what you paid for.
and then with the valve shut, it's basically back to OE again, so it's how you would have originally spec'd the vehicle, which is nice for early mornings, and that sort of thing. You don't wake the neighbours up, but then with the valve open again, you get a bit more V8 rumble, which is perfect.
Yeah, it's a really not. I think it's a mature sound.
A mature sound is a good description.
Yeah. All right. Well, going to go down the road a bit, and I will stand outside the car, and we'll watch it go past, and we'll hear the outside cabin noise. Marvellous. That is, well, it speaks for itself, the new Range Rover SV P615. I am getting out the cold and getting a nice cup of tea, but if you want one of these systems on one of these fabulous vehicles, click the links below or call us or email us and we can get it sorted for you. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Subscribe, hit the bell, join the sound revolution with Quicksilver Sound Architects. Hope to see you later.